very first question in part 2, if you see the question clearly, Priya got 9 more marks than geography. She got 9 more marks in geography in history. So her history marks are 56% of the total of both history and geography. And what are her marks in geography? That is the question. If you can go through the question, that is it. Without solving the question, I can directly see this answer from the options. Because geography marks are less when comparing to the history. That is the sense is given. But the difference should be 9 marks between history and geography. But in the options, definitely this type of question, definitely the marks of both the subjects would have given. Now, if you see what is the less marks here, what is the less option, less mark option, A, B, C, D, you can find in option D. Therefore, 33. If 33 plus 9, that is 42. So the answer will be 33 in geography and 42 in history. Directly, you can option, we can say this answer. So her marks are in geography is 33 and her marks in history is 42. So if you don't want to follow the option, if you want to see the descriptive detailed process, now if you want to see the detailed process, now let us see here. Her history marks is geography plus 9 has given, and her history is equal to 56% of both history plus geography has given. Now if you substitute the value of history in the place of h here, that is z plus 9 is equal to 56 by 100 plus g plus 9 plus g is equal to, therefore that z plus 9, that is 4 table it goes, 4 1s are, 4 4s are, 25s are, and then 2g plus 9, that gives you 25z multiplied with 25 plus that will be 225 here, that is 28g plus 4 9s are, that is 136, that is 90. If you see here, 9 4s are 36, that is 90, that is 126 here, 126. Therefore, 225 minus 126 is equal to 28g minus 25g here. Therefore, 225 minus 126, that will be 220, that will be 99 is equal to 3g. Therefore, 99 by 3 is equal to g. Therefore, our geography marks are 33. But this is entire lengthy process. Now see the shortcut here. If you want to follow the shortcut here, if her history marks are 56% of the total 100, means that her geography marks would be 44. Right? Percentage of geography would be 44. The difference here, 56 minus of 44 are 6 minus 4, that is 12 parts. If 12 parts are 12 percentage or 12 parts are 9 marks, then what are 44 parts of geography? That should be more than 12. 44 by 12 into 9. Simply, that is 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 4 1s are, 4 11s are, 11 3s are is 33. And geography marks are 33. Question number 2 is very much similar to the first question. One student got 10 marks more than other subject, and his one subject marks are 75% of both the subject. He is asking the marks. So it is very much similar to the very first question. I said through options. If he got a 75% in one subject, means another subject he would have got 25%. The relation is nothing but 3:1. So in the given options, where you can find the 3:1 relation, that is only the option 4. That is 5 3s are and 5 1s are. So option D is the right answer. See the question number 3 here. The salary of A is 25% more than B. Is asking how much the salary of B is less than that of A. That can be solved in the case of a formula. That is R by 100 plus R into 100. Now consider R value as 25. 25 by 125 into 100. 25 1s are, 25 5s are. The answer is 25% less. This is one process. If you consider the salary of B as 100, the salary of A is 125 according to the question. Therefore, now what is the difference here? 25. 25 is asking to compare with A. Therefore, 25 by 125 into 100. 25 1s are, 25 5s are. 100 by 5 is 20%. Therefore, 20% directly you can see here 20%. 5 1s are 520. The 20% is less when comparing with B. So it can be seen in another process also. The salary of B, if B is 100, the salary of A is 125. Directly is asking salary of B less comparing with A. Therefore, 100 by 125 into 100. That is nothing but 4 by 5 into 100. That is 5 ones are 5 20s are 80. So how much percentage less than 200? Therefore, 100 minus of 80 is nothing but 20 percentage is less. Therefore, the answer is 20. This can be solved in different ways, but our method, our shortcut method, if you see the direct shortcut method, if we consider the value of B as 100, the A should be 125. Similarly, this is nothing but 5:4. Now, asking version, if you see the question clearly, is asking to compare with A. So, directly 100 by 5 is nothing but 20 percentage is less than comparing with A. So, the answer is 20 percentage. That can be seen in the option B. Question number 4 is very much similar to question number 3 here. He is asking the salary of A is 20 percentage less than that of B, and is asking to find the salary of B is how much percentage more than that of A. As if you see the shortcut here, the salary of B should be 100 and the salary of A is 80. Therefore, that is 4 and 5. That is 4:5. He is asking to compare it with A. Therefore, it is nothing but 100 by 4. It is nothing but 25 percentage. Therefore, the salary of B is 25 percentage more than that of A. The answer is 25 percentage, option D. If you see the question number 5 here, the question number 5, due to the scarcity of rainfall, the land value decreases by 12 percentage and the production also decreases by 4 percentage. What is the effective change? So, by going to the question, we solve this question, the formula effective change in the percentage, that is x plus y plus xy by 100. Now you considered x as minus 12 and y as minus 4, because 12% land and 4% production decreases means negative value. Therefore, minus 12 minus 4 minus of minus plus 48 by 100. That is nothing but minus 16 plus 0.48. The answer is minus 15.52. So, minus 15.52 means that is loss. That can be seen clearly in the option C. That is 15.52. But we will do in another way. If now considered the land value as 100, because we are doing the percentage topic percentages. So, and also the production also decreases by 4. Now let us also consider the production also 100. Land is also 100 and production also 100 to convenience point of calculations. If you minus 12 here and minus 4 here, that becomes as 88 and that becomes here 96. So the original value, if 100 into 100, it becomes nothing but 10,000. If 88 into 96, it is nothing but 6 8s are 48, 4 carries, 6 8s are 48. That is 52. Similarly, 9 8s are 72, 7. 9 8s is 72 plus 7, that is 79. That is 8 4 4 8. Now, after multiplication with these two terms, the answer is 8448. But you can observe the change. 10,000 here, 84480. What is the difference here? That is clearly 1552. Therefore, since it's the percentages, so you point after 15. 15.52, that is loss. That is less when comparing with 10,000. So the answer is option C, 15.5. See the question number 6 here. Question number 6 is also very much similar to the question number 5. As length is decreased by 20 and breadth is increased by 10 percentage, the original area is nothing but 200 centimeters square. Now after the change, what is the area is asking. If you see directly, now let us consider length as original length as 100 and breadth is also 100. But in rectangle, length and breadth are not equal. But to our calculation point of view, we made it as both as 100. So 100 into 100, there is nothing but 10,000. If 20% is less, that is length will be 80. 10% more, that will be 110. 80 into double, that is 8800. Now what is the difference here? 1200 percentage. So after 12, so 12 percentage less. So originally 200. So 200 and 12% is nothing but 24. Therefore 24 should be minus from 200. 200 minus 24, that will be 176. The answer is option A. Now you see the question number 7 here. He has given that the fresh grapes, the content of the fresh grapes is 80% of water, and then dry grapes 10% of water. The weight of the dry grapes he has given us 250 kg. Now he is asking what is the weight of the fresh grapes. Now if you see here, if you see, if in the wet grapes, in the fresh grapes, that water content is 80%, then pulp should be 20. And in dry grapes, water content is 10%, then pulp should be 90. So he has given the dry grapes weight as 250 kg. So 10% of 250, that is 25. That is 25 should be water, and the remaining 250 minus 25, that is nothing but 225 is pulp. See here, 250, 10% of 250 is 25. That's 25 water and 225 pulp. This 225 pulp, it is of 90% is very much equal to the 20% of pulp of fresh grapes. That means 20% if it is 225, what is 100%? Because he was asking to find the, but he is asking to find the total weight, the 100%. Therefore 100 by 20 into 225. 21s are 25s are, that is 1000 plus 125, that is nothing but 1125. The original weight of the fresh grapes is 1125. But this takes time. Some of the students may understand, or say some of the students they might. But if you see the shortcut here, simply you put the weight here. What's the weight he has given? 250. And what is the pulp ratio in the dry? 90. What is the pulp part in the fresh grapes? 20. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 2 ones are 125. 125 into 9 is nothing but 1125 is your answer. Question number 8, if you see, a man purchased a white, 10% was stolen. He used 85%, and now he is left with 47 meter 25 centimeter. Now he is asking what was the original length of the wine. If you see, we do not know the original length of the wine. We will see in the detailed process of view how we solve. Now let us consider the original length of the process x into 10% was stolen. See, many of the students puts 10 here. It is not 10 here. Leftover part we should write, because the words remainder, left, remaining are the words important. When you find these words, you put the left of the part. If 10% is used, 90% remain 90 by 100, and 85% is used, it is 15 by 100, remainder is 15 by 100. He has given us 4725, that is 4725. Nothing but x is equal to 4725 into 100 into 100 by 90 by 50. 0, 0 gets cancelled here. 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are, and 9 5s are. So similarly, 5 20s are, 5 3s are, that is 3 1s are, and 3 7s are, and 3 21, 3 5s are. That is 175. 175 into, that is 10 into 20, that is nothing but 200. X is equal to 350 00. 350 00 is nothing but x is equal to 350 meters, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. But in doing the detailed process, the calculation takes a little bit lengthier. So let us make it easier. So he is saying that clearly 10% was used. So 10% was stolen, means he might have got 90% left. So in 90% is using, 85% is used, the leftover part, he used 85% means, now let us see the leftover part in 90. So simply you take here 15 by 100, this point is most important. Do not put 85, just kindly put 15 by 100, that is 85. 100 minus 85, how to take leftover part. So therefore 0, 0 gets cancelled, that is 3 by 2, 3 by 2, that is nothing but 27 by 2 is nothing but 13.5. If it is 13.5 is nothing but 47.25, is asking to put what is 100. Direct shortcut. If you see here, because 47.25 means I am converting this in meters, 47 meter 25 centimeter, that is 47.25. If you see the calculation part here is very much closer to 13 3s are 39, because if you take 4, 13 4s are 42 and halves also, it crosses 47. So it is very much closer to 3. But if you see the calculation part here, 0.5 here, 0.25. 0.5 by 2 is nothing but 0.25. So obviously that is very much closer to 3. and we have to put half, that is into 3.5. That is 13.5 into 3.5 is nothing but 47.25. So similarly, 100 into 3.5 is nothing but 350 meter. The original length of the wire is nothing but 350. Option A. It is given that the present population is 8,000. Males are increasing by 6%, females are by 10%. After increasing, the population becomes 8,600. Is asking the females earlier. Now let us see here. This can be solved in a detailed process. Now let us consider the female populations as X. That 110 increased, 10% increased, 110 by X of 100 plus 6% males are increased, 106 of 8,000 minus of X by 100 is equal to 8,600. Because I consider females are X. If you take X from 8,000, the remaining value will be males. Therefore, 110 of X plus 106 into 8, that is 8 6 are 48, 8 4, 8 000 minus of 106 X is equal to 8600 100 LCM goes that side. 110 minus of 106, that is nothing but 4X, and 8600 minus of 848 000. Therefore 4X is, we simply forgot about the zeros after you put. If you subtract 848 from 860, that's simply 60 minus of 48, there is nothing but 12 of 3 zeros. Therefore, X value is 3000. Therefore, the female population is 3000. But this process takes a little bit lengthier. The only shortcut to solve this question is option point of view. The only point in the solving this type of questions is option point of view. He has given the values are 8000 previously, 8600 become. It becomes 8,600. So what much increased? What is the value? It has increased from 8,600. It has increased from 8,000. So if you see, directly you see through the option. Now let us consider the female population as 3,000. Take only one option. You consider the 3,000 as female population. So if you consider 3,000 as female population, how much percentage the female population increasing? 10%. What is 10% of 3,000? That is nothing but 300. If you take away 3,000 from 8,000, the remaining should be the men are 5,000. What is the increase of men? That is 6%. And what is 5,000 of 6%? Therefore, there is nothing but 300. 300 plus 300, that is absolute 600. So, it's very much satisfied with the figure 600. So, what you considered as option as 3,000 is absolutely right. So, kindly consider this type of question in the option point of view. So that is the answer. See the question number 10 here. A man spends 60%, his income increases by 15%, his expenditure also increased by 5%. Now he is asking what is the increase of his savings, he is asking. So now let us consider his salary is 100. So his expenditure is 60, means his savings should be 40. So his salary is increased by 15%. So if we add 15 to 100, now the new salary is 115. If you see here, 5% his expenditure is also increased, means to the previous one. 5% is nothing but 1 by 20. 60 into 1 by 20, that is nothing but 3 parts. So 3 should be added to 60. That becomes 63 here. So 115 minus 63, his savings are 52 parts. Now he is asking what is the percentage increase in savings. Earlier savings was 40, now it is 52. Now what is the difference here? 12 by initial 40 into 100. That is nothing but 0 gets cancelled, 4 ones are, 4 threes are. The answer is 30% is savings are increased. That is option A. Hi friends, I welcome you all on the other session. Another session part 2 percentages. So we had placed some of the questions in part 1 descriptive box, and this is the key for those 10 questions. Kindly go through these questions. We had already placed the key in the description box in part 2 also. If not, just pause it and see the key for the part 1, 10 questions. According to the part 1, we had placed 10 questions in the description box. In the same way, we are going to place another 10 more questions in the description box of part 2. So the key for the part 2, 10 questions you will be getting in part 3. So if you like this video with your wholehearted, so kindly subscribe and tap the bell icon for further notifications.